Hello everyone. So this is second part of string methods in JavaScript. So first we'll see the concat. So here I'm taking a variable str1 ram sham. Taking third variable str3. So here I taken two string str2. Here I take str1 and third string 3. The concurrent here I am storing string 3 concatenation of string 1 and string 2 and storing string 3, and I will show output. So here Ram and Sham, and now you will see the split function. Here we will use split function, split method. So I taken first string 1. In this string, the string is Ravi, Mohan, Gajraj and Ram. So with the help of split method, where in this string 1 space and split method, it will return a separate string. So you will see that. So here we got Ravi, Mohan, Gajraj and Ram. So Ravi is a string, Mohan is a different string, Gajraj is different and Ram is. But in string 1 we taken a in a full string. But now four strings are different. Here we will see tree methods. So I taken a string str1 with Ram. In a starting I have give some space. So remove the space. So you will see that we got Ram here. Here in starting some space. So with the help of trim, we can remove that. So here we will see that here Ram is comes on in front. So now we will discuss on fourth method, replace. So in replace method we will replace good to best. So here we will see the output. So Ram is best. First I taken in a string Ram is good. So good is replaced to best. So we move on our next method, char at. So in this char at method we pass any values like position. So we pass 2, so it will return m because m is on second position 0, 1, 2. So it will return m. So here we got m. And now we will see char code at method. So in that method we pass any position. So return the ASCII value of this positions value. Like here we pass 2, so it will return the ASCII value of m. So we will see that. So we got the 109, it is the ASCII value of m. Now we will see from char code. So in this method we pass any number. So we take as a ASCII value and show the output the value of like 97. So 97, the value of 9 ASCII value of 97 is a. So it will show a. So you got a. Now we will see slice. So we understand it with an example. So this is slice. Here is string Kunal is good. I pass here 2. So 0, 1, 2. So the output will start to n and a d. So it will print start to n and end to d. So we will see that. So here we got the correct output. And if you pass like here 7, so we got the output. We will get output 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will start to n and finish to s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually it will print to less than 7. So it will, we got here I in our output. Here we got I. And now we will see the value of function. So value of some function is print by default value. So it will show Kunal is good. So here we got Kunal is good. It will print by default values. And now we'll see to string function. It will convert in a string. So we get in string 100. So it convert the number 100 in a string. So we will see that the output. So we get 150. Sorry, we got. And here I write a plus 50. So it will, if 100 is a number, so it will show 1. It will show 150. But here we got 150. So 100 is converted in a string. Like here I am writing str. So here 100 is a number. so it will show the output and 150. So you got 150. Here we will see substring and substr. So in substring it will return the mid value like 4 and 5, so it will return the 3 positions value, like 3 index 3 value. And in substr we pass 4 and 5, so it will return start for from 4 and print to 5 character like 0 1 2 3 4. So it will start to here a and a start to a and 1 2 3 4 5 and finish to s. So we will see the output. So we got the output a and al is. So we will see that in our program. In fourth position substring 1 0 1 2 3 4. So in it will return a, means the index fourth position and less than 5. So we got here a, and here we pass 4 and 5. So here start to fourth position a and it will print to next 5 position. If you take here 3, so you got al and space, but we didn't see space in our screen, so al and space. So this is about our string methods, and thanks for watching.